You are going to love the 2025 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.